Ready for another one? This is the last one, so pay attention. Okay, so your laptop, right? You got a laptop at home, it's got a plug thing, and you plug it into the wall to charge it and stuff. So your laptop can only handle, let's see, how much, what have I got here? 500 milliamps. So your laptop can only handle 500 milliamps. Any more than that, and it gets damaged, it gets fried. So you don't want any more than 500 milliamps. And the power supply, if you look at that little box, it's usually something like 18 volts. Okay, so then the question will be, what is the resistance in that power supply that makes it so that the current doesn't get too high and fry your laptop? That's the question, okay? So that's the question we have here. We've got milliamps. So milliamps are not amps, so we're going to have to do a little bit of conversion there. And then we'll have to find out what we know, what we don't know, rearrange, and solve this. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. Okay, when you weren't looking, I erased some stuff, and I put I equals 500 milliamps here, and I put V equals 18 volts there. You know why? Because I did step one just for you. You're welcome. So find out what you know. We know current, we know voltage. What we don't know is resistance. We don't know resistance. Okay. So we can rearrange Ohm's law and substitute and do all that stuff, but we're not ready yet. You know why we're not ready yet? Because voltage has to be in volts, current has to be in amps, and resistance has to be in ohms. It's not, because look, that's not amps, that's milliamps. What's a milliamp? Milli is 1 over 1,000. So if we have I equals 500 milliamps, that's equal to 500 divided by 1,000 amps, because the milli is 1 over 1,000. So now we have to work out 500 over 1,000. What's that? 500 divided by 1,000, 0.5. So we say I equals 0.5 amps, and voltage, 18 volts. Now we're ready, because if that's volts and that's amps, then when we solve R, it's going to be ohms. Okay, so now we need to rearrange if needed. Is it needed? We need R on the left side, everything else on the right side. So R has to be by itself. So V equals IR. To get R by itself, we divide both sides by I. So these go away. R equals V over I. So R equals V over I. R equals V over I. V is 18 volts. I is half an amp. So 18 divided by 0.5. 18 divided by 0.5, which is the same as 18 times 2, 36. So R is equal to 36 ohms. Did it!